Hello everyone and welcome to Try and Buy channel. This channel is about unboxing all kinds of products and mainly shoes products. So if you wanna see the details of any shoes before buying it, please visit my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button. You can see a lot of new shoes, interesting shoes, which are reviewed in my channel. And for today we're going to review Asics, one of my favorite shoes, or one of my favorite shoes brand, and this is one of my favorite shoes. You'll see what is inside. So today we're going to unbox Asics Gel-Sonoma or Gel-Sonoma 3. This is the Asics box. So let's see what is inside. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. I mean, not the box, but the shoes. Although box looks nice as well. Let's unbox it and see what is inside. Voila. Yep. Let's put aside the box and let's have a closer view of the shoes. Some pretty nice shoes, huh? The color, black and yellowish. And so this shoes is designed with the right outsole pattern to equip the off-road adventure with more control while navigating the rugged terrain. Reinforced toe guard here, you see. Protects against rocks and dirt on the trail. Trail specific outsole teams up with the Spiva foam midsole and shock absorbent gel. It provides traction and comfort while you navigate the rugged terrain. Asics developed with special technology like high absorption rubber placed in critical areas for outsole, and gives exceptional durability, rear foot gel cushioning system, and Spiva midsole material, which improves bouncy back characteristics and decreases midsole breakdown. So you can see here Asics Gel-Sonoma 3. It has here you can see it has some, which gives you the light and the dark when you are running. The shoe is made in Indonesia. The size is Euro 41.5 and US 8, which is like 26 centimeters. As it says, it has synthetic fiber and synthetic leather upper and rubber sole. Let's take out and see it has ortholite inside. Yeah, I hope you can see a good one. So these shoes And generally I'm going to use these shoes for mountain trekking, the primary area, and let's see how it will be behaving itself on the mountains. And later, maybe if you are interested, you can comment and I'll write down my experience in the mountains. But for now I have to break this shoe a little bit because I have 3 weeks to climb, to trek on the mountains. And here you have the Asics label. It has instructions inside how to take care of your shoes. An example is like it suggests that you clean the shoe with soft clothes or brush, or using the cold water and milk detergent to clean the surface upper part. Avoid like keeping the shoes under the sun, direct sunlight, and do not put it into the washing machine to wash it. So what else I can say? It is very soft inside. I tried to wear this when I got this, and it's really it's extremely comfortable, feels. And when you walk, it's like when you walk there is a feeling that it pushes you forward. So as I have heard from the feedbacks, it gives you a very comfortable movement, and ensures like walking up or down. So in both situations it's very comfortable. So now let's see how it fits on the feet, how it's gonna look like on the feet. So this is the gel, which is Asics Gel-Sonoma 3. Welcome.